Gaborone is the capital and largest city in Botswana. The city is also referred to as the political capital of the southern part of Africa. This is simply because it houses the headquarters of the Southern African Development Community, or you could call it SADC or SADC, an organization that brings together all Southern African countries. And among these, we have countries like South Africa, Malawi, Namibia, Mozambique, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and many other countries. And maybe just so you know, Botswana is ranked among the top least corrupt African countries on the continent. In this video, we discover and explore Gaborone, the Botswana capital. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that might be interested in learning more about the African continent. For the brief history about the city, Gaborone City was named after Chief Kgosi Gaborone, a leader of the Batlokwa people, and these people are believed to have migrated from the Magaliesberg Mountains. When they reached this area in 1881, they said it's not bad at all, so they decided to settle in this area. Probably this explains the very tolerant mindset of the people that live around Gaborone today. The city was officially recognized as the capital city of Botswana in 1965, and this was just a year before the country, Botswana, gained her independence in 1966. After gaining her independence, Botswana as a country has remained and maintained as one of the world's highest growing economies. This is probably attributed to the fact that Botswana is one of the most economically and politically stable countries on the African continent. And as I told you earlier, it's one of the least corrupt countries on the African continent. The Gaborone metropolitan population is estimated to be around 270,000 people, and among these, 79% are believed to be from the Tswana tribe, then 11% from the Kalanga tribe, 3% from the Basara, the Galagadi make up 7%, and the other percentage of the population are the Caucasian people. English is the official language used in the capital Gaborone, although the most dominantly spoken language is the Setswana language. So if you're planning a visit to Gaborone, probably you must learn a few words in the Setswana language. Generally speaking, in terms of religion, Gaborone City and Botswana as an entire country is highly comprised of Christians. The majority of the people in the country and city are of the Christian belief, but there are also others that believe in the African traditional religions in the country. For the transport, if you're to move from one part of the city to another part of the city, you could probably hire a private driver to basically take you around the city. But there's also the Uber service that operates within the city. So if you don't want to be cheated or anything like this, you could probably opt for the Uber service in the city. So you just have to download the Uber app and basically order for an Uber ride. Speaking about the weather in Gaborone, the city has a hot, semi-arid type of climate. Maybe this is because it's right next to the Kalahari Desert. Gaborone can be described as a sunny city, but it also receives some rainfall, especially during the summer months between October and April. And then when it comes to the winter season, the days are usually warm and the nights tend to be very cold. While in Gaborone, or if you're planning to visit Gaborone, some of the places that must not miss on your bucket list are the Botswana National Museum. Then there's the Gaborone Game Reserve. Here you get to check out lions, zebras, giraffes, and many other wild animals. Then there's also the Kgale Hill on the western edge of the city. This really offers a breathtaking view to the Gaborone city. So these are definitely some of those places that you must not miss out on your visit to Gaborone. Well, that's a quick discovery of Gaborone city. We hope you enjoyed this particular episode, and in case you did, please let us know down in the comments where you are watching this video from. Remember to also like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that wants to know more about the African continent. This also enables you not to miss out on any of our future uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch more here to learn about the African continent.